Hurricane Olivia is well east of Hawaii but tracking towards the west. And here's the latest on the hurricane from Force 13 on what's been an extremely busy day. We appreciate the support to the main channel, including the Facebook page. And here's the latest on the hurricane. She's located 21.8 degrees north, 140.8 degrees west. Maximum sustained winds 80 miles per hour, tracking west 16 miles per hour. Central pressure 985 millibars. There are no watches and warnings in place. However, the Pacific Hurricane Center is saying to local people interested in Hawaii should monitor the progress of this hurricane. And as mentioned, she's moving towards the west, near 16 miles per hour. This motion is expected to continue with some slowness in the forward speed. And turning towards the west-southwest, it's expected by Tuesday. On the forecast track, Olivia will be near the main Hawaiian Islands late Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds near 80 miles per hour with higher gusts. Little change in strength is forecast during the next 48 hours. Now here's a look at the track's wind speed probabilities. Olivia has lost its well-defined centre featuring conventional satellite imagery late this afternoon and now appears as a rather messy asymmetric blob of deep convection. However, other information indicates that I will remain except for a break on the western side, along with a very well organised low-level circulation. Olivia is moving just north of due west due to the south of, or I should say to the south, a strong deep layer wedging to the west through north of the tropical cyclone. Little change is anticipated for the first 48 hours. Now we have a look at the EPS track guidance. The track guidance remains fairly tightly clustered. This forecast is very similar to the previous forecast track, which brings the centre of Olivia over the main Hawaiian Islands between 72 and 96 hours. Intensity guidance, and by the time it reaches the Hawaiian Islands there should be a tropical storm. A more westward motion is expected to resume after Olivia's passage through the islands as the upper ridge retreats westward and the circulation centre becomes increasingly steered by the lower level trades. Olivia is in a very weak shear environment. Total precipitable water, and this is a GFS model. And turning to a couple of models. However, Olivia, whilst in a weak shear environment, is moving over marginal sea surface temperatures at 25.5 degrees Celsius. The hurricane has already traversed the coolest water it was going to encounter, but sea surface temperatures stay sub 27 Celsius until Olivia gets closer to the island's up level divergence. Here's a look at the wind shear. And continuing on with the information, this should allow Olivia to only very slowly weaken or main intensity through the next 24 to 48 hours. Shear should begin to gradually increase over Olivia after 48 hours has passed, leading to a slow weakening trend, but likely not soon enough to prevent some significant impact to the main Hawaiian Islands. And just before the 850 millibar vorticity, which shows up the tropical systems, the shear tendency.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with you at any time. You can also find our YouTube page if you're not there already, subscribed hopefully, and you can also follow our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text. Videos are now there as well, and you can follow us on Twitter at Force 13 is our handle, and it's hashtag F13 Sulik if you'd like to draw our attention to anything in future live events or whatnot. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron with its various rewards that come with that feature as well. And you can add me personally, Fool13 at extension 9094 on Discord, and Force13 on Skype for tropical weather chat.